Hello, we're here today to talk about the Bill of Rights. This subject has become increasingly important again, as it does every 20 to 25 years, when people feel state control is influencing individual rights. And some people believe this happened under Bush, some people believe it happens under Obama, some people believe it's happened before. And the great thing about America is we have a Bill of Rights. Not all countries do, and it's of late that they have them. I remember my former brother-in-law telling me when he was in Canada and studying law in the early 1970s that Canada didn't have a Bill of Rights like the United States. They've since changed that. But the important thing is, not many countries have a Bill of Rights. It is a very unusual protection. It's not unique, but it's unusual. And the purpose and the history of it's important. Because when the Founding Fathers got together, there were a group called the Federalists and the Anti-Federalists. What the Anti-Federalists worried about is the central government would become too powerful. You hear that argument all the time today. It's been going on since the founding of this country. And then there were those who thought the central government wasn't power enough. And that same thing goes on. And one of the great things about the United States is things go back and forth. So the Constitution essentially supports the power of the government, and the Bill of Rights, the first 10 amendments, and then 17 more, speak to the individual protections of the citizen. And that's very important, because the citizen has to be protected against the state as much as the state protects the citizen, and there's a balance there. So this audiobook prints out and reads all of the amendments, which most people have not heard. This is used widely in schools. It's done all over. It's a wonderful thing to listen to. You can listen to it in your iPod, your iPhone. It's about an hour. It gives the history of the U.S. Bill of Rights, where did it come from, what are the Founding Fathers thinking, and what can it do for you, and what has it done for this country. Go to simplydownload.com or simplymagazine.net, and you can order it for $3.99. And it's very worthwhile doing. It's one of our favorite discs because we ourselves like to listen to it at least once a year. That's it. Now we'll do one more picture. See, that wasn't that hard. It was the Bill of Rights, but I didn't get it.
And I have to just, okay, will you hold it right here, Dad?